Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part of this video. In this video, I will explain to you how to lock your YouTube channel and how to manage and how to check any things, subscriber, watch time of your YouTube channel. Come to the laptop and open the Google Chrome and type the YouTube Studio on your Gmail account. Click on the first link. This is the Gmail account. Click on it. This is the channel dashboard. You can see here. This is the search option. And this is the uploading video option available here. And you can see here, this is the content option. How many content, how many video has been uploaded here. This is the analytic option. Analytic option give you information, the views, watch time, subscriber. Give you information, these things. And you can also select the content from the analytic option. This option also give you the view impression information. And then scroll down and click on the earning option. You can see here, the earning option eligibility is here. You should be complete 1000 subscriber, or you should be complete one of the following. You should be complete the 400,000 watch time hour, publicly watch time hour, or 10 million valid public short views. And then click on the next. Click on the dashboard option. In the dashboard, you can see here current subscriber here. Go to the setting option, go to the channel option, and go to the advanced setting option. And you can go future eligibility option from here. And you can change anything from here. And you can remove your YouTube content from here. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to check your view, your subscriber, your watch time, and you can also check the eligibility, and you can also manage the setting of your YouTube channel. Anything you can do in your YouTube channel. So if you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.